welcome back to my channel. My name is Kyla Latrice. I'm back with another video. In today's video, I am going to be doing an unboxing from Amazon. I got a lot of stuff from Amazon today, so let's just get right into it. First things first. Yeah, I got some socks. I got some socks because I'm a roller skater and I need thick socks. Nobody told me, you know, you was gonna need thick socks when you roller skate, so I kind of found that out myself, because I had got a callus on my toe, and I was like, okay, maybe I need some thicker socks, because I was roller skating in those little thin socks. So I was like, okay, yeah, we need some thick socks. I'm finna see if these, oh yeah, okay, these work. Yeah, these are definitely good. So I went ahead and got some socks. These are from Hanes and they come in like a pack of 10. Is it 14? I'm not sure. 10 or 14 off Amazon. Really good. Next, I got a left-handed calendar. For those of you that do not know, I am left-handed, so I decided to get this, and it has some facts about left-handed people in here, and you can write in it as well. This will be really good to plan my YouTube content. I can just put like what video is going to be scheduled for that day. So yeah, I thought that was really cool, and it's, the binding is on this side instead of this side because it's for left-handed people. Stop playing with me. It says planning pages on the left, easier for left-handers to use. I love this so much. Next, I got some left-handed ballpoint pens. So it is curved barrel angles for the tip, improved for visibility and comfort. Triangular grip naturally guides fingers for the correct writing position. Extra smooth ink, dries with no smearing. We'll test that out because if you're a lefty, you already know. Yeah. These should be good. I'm so excited. I feel so seen. I had no idea there were left-handed journals or left-handed pens or even left-handed utensils. But I definitely feel so seen because I'm the only left-handed person in my family. So when my mom would teach me how to do things, she would be like, no, you're doing it wrong. But I'm doing it the left-handed way because it's easier for me. So yeah, learning how to do stuff when you're left-handed, struggles. But one of my dentist, he told me that all left-handed, he saw, because I had to sign some paperwork, and he was like, you're left-handed? And I was like, yeah. And he was like, left-handed people, they're more creative, so whatever field you go in, you're gonna be very creative. So I was like, I fuck with that. I wouldn't be me if I didn't get a book. Outdrawn, this is a new book that I got from Amazon. It's supposed to be really good. I've seen TikTok rave about it, so I decided to purchase. And last but not least, y'all all know I'm all about books and hair products. I decided to get Bread Beauty. I decided to get their leave-in conditioner and their hair oil. This was sold out at Ulta and Sephora, so I saw that I could get it on Amazon, so I went ahead and got it. The packaging it's really big. So this was, oh wow, and And it comes sealed. Okay, I like that. Love that. So it comes sealed. This is the packaging. It's really, really big. So this was $28. Is that glass? I think that's glass. And I believe this was like 20. I forgot how much this was actually. I forgot. But yeah, so this is the oil. I've heard great things about these products, so I'm definitely excited. And everything was sold out, so I feel like that should tell me something. So yeah, but this is like a lip gloss for your hair. The hair oil and silicone free blend is for everyday multi-way use. To soften. Soft but powerful is a multi-purpose oil. You can use it as a leave-in treatment, finishing gloss, pre-wash, slugging treatment. Use if you have extra thick hair. Less if you have very fine hair. Okay, so this can be used as an everyday gloss, and it's glass. And so yeah, Elastic Bounce Leave-In from Bread Beauty. And this is their hair gloss. So yeah, guys, that is it for this video. Let me see the ingredients. Distributed by Bread Beauty Inc. in Los Angeles. Okay. I don't see the... Okay, ingredients look pretty good on here. I love the packaging. I like that it comes in a box. And it's very flowery. I like that. Alright, y'all. So, Silky Soft Styling Cream. Made with wavy, curly, coily, and textured hair in mind. This could be your all-in-one leave-in product for air drying, diffusing, braiding your hair out. Treat your hair while you wear silicone free. Alright, y'all. So the reason why I even have my head wrap on in the first place is because I was waiting on these products to come so I could wash my hair. It's time for me to wash my hair, so I'm definitely going to do that. And alright, y'all, I received everything, and I will see y'all in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is Kyla Latrice, and I will see y'all in my next video. Peace. I just got done doing my skincare routine. It's actually bedtime, but I'm editing this video now, and I forgot to show y'all I got pens. So these are gel pens I got off Amazon. 20 come in a pack, and they are all different colors. They're really beautiful, and they write really well. So yeah, I just wanted to include these in the video. Just to show y'all what they look like. So I can use these when I'm also planning my videos and writing down notes and stuff like that too. So yeah. Okay.